Don't completely avoid resistance training during your luteal phase. There might be 2 or 3 days if you're in true agony where you just focus on light walks or maybe a bit of stretching, but that's 2 or 3 days. That's not half the year. That's 2 or 3 days, maybe within a month at most. There is no need to change your training. Make sure you train consistently in a way that gives you balance, both resistance, both cardiovascular activity, and maybe some lower intensity exercises if and when you truly believe that you need those. But it should be balanced, the same way that your nutrition should be balanced. And then remember, everything that you experience is how you see it. When you change the way you see things, the things that you see change.